How to create Gmail account. Want to create Gmail account but don't know how to do it? Here is a quick and simple guide on how to create Gmail account. First, launch Gmail app on your device. Ensure to log into your particular account and now tap Profile at top right corner of the screen. On the space, tap Add Another Account button and choose Google. Verify is you by scanning your fingerprint and you will get access to this page. Tap Create Account option and choose whether it's for your personal or for business use. Tap for my personal use for now and enter your name. Once you enter, tap Next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Enter your birthday and gender. Now tap Next button. Create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. You can use letters, numbers, and full stop. Tap Next button. As that username is already taken, try another one. Once you have done that correction, enter a strong password on the section with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now tap Next button again. You can either add phone number to account or tap Escape at bottom left corner of the screen. Now review your account info by tapping Next at bottom right corner of the screen. Read this all the privacy and terms and tap I agree at bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for a while. As you can see that we have successfully created Gmail account on our device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.